Hello everyone. Today's video is about changing the color of specific text in Excel sheet. By using conditional formatting, we can easily change the color of specific text. I am using Microsoft Excel 2016 and I have prepared a grade sheet. In the grades column, I want every F to be written in red color. Let's use a very simple method to complete this task. First, select the grades column. Go to conditional formatting, click new rule, select the option format only cells that contain, and now you need to edit the rule description. Under the cell value, select specific text and in the blank cell type F. I'm typing F here because I want F in red color. You can type any text you want. Click format. Now you can change the style and size of the text as well, but I won't do this. I will simply change the color of the text from automatic to red. You can select any color you want, click OK, again OK, and you can see the result in the grades column. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.